How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are installing a glass screen protector on my brand new iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro I've got is silver. I have not even turned it on yet. That's how important it is to put a glass screen protector on your phone right away, just out of the box. And I'm gonna put my preferred one in the link in the description box below. There's just a ton of different options, and the one that I have linked down below is just a way better option than the other ones. This kit does include quite a few different things. So it includes obviously the glass screen protector. It includes dry and wet wipes. We've got stickers. We've got a little pressure application tool. And then this really cool thing right here. This is an alignment tool. So the alignment tool we're gonna just go ahead and place right on top of my iPhone. But first, let's go ahead and just use the wipe cloth that's included. And we're just gonna wipe it down just to get any sort of last minute stuff off of it before we apply all the other things on here. So let's do the wipe cloth. And then we're gonna go ahead and use the wet wipe. Let's go ahead and grab the wet wipe, and we'll just put a little bit of layer on here. You don't have to worry about your phone getting damaged or anything like that, because it is technically waterproof up to 30 feet, so a little bit of wet cloth is not gonna do anything on there. We'll go ahead and throw that aside. We'll grab the dry wipe right here, and feel free to pause the video if you guys want to continue and do this at the same time as I'm doing this during the video here. And let's go ahead and just use the dry cloth, and we'll apply that right on there. There we go, perfect. And then what you want to do is grab these little sticker things, and you want to just use the sticker to just get any sort of last minute pieces of dust off of your phone, which is fine. Don't use the cloth anymore, because the cloth will leave little specks of dust now. It's mainly just for getting the fingerprints and stuff off of it. You want to use the dry and the fine dry cloth, the wet cloth and the dry cloth, to kind of finalize your screen, and then the sticker to get any last minute pieces of dust on there. Now we're going to put the application tool just right overhead here, and it's gonna just kind of connect on both sides. Try not to touch your screen at all, obviously. There we go, we've got the application alignment tool just right on there. And we're gonna go ahead and give it one last minute wipe with the fine cloth right here. A little bit of a fine cloth, and again, the sticker, just to get any sort of last minute pieces of dust that might have flown on there. Perfect. All right, we're good to go. Grab your screen protector, take off this little plastic piece right here, and that's obviously the sticker part. And you want to align it from the top and just pressure it towards the top end, and then just kind of press and just release it. And there you go. And then you can grab the application tool, and you can just kind of draw a little bit of a line, and it's gonna just sort of self-heal itself. We're actually gonna take this piece off right now since it's all aligned, and we're just gonna let it pressure right on there. There we go, and we're gonna just pressure out any sort of little bubbles like you see that right there. No problem, just go ahead and just push that, and that will just come right out on the end right there. There we go, just keep pushing it out, and we're good to go. And now you can just wipe it down, and you've got a perfectly applied, nice screen protector.